Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy S22 with a broken display, and David will fix it for us. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is remove the back cover on this Galaxy S22. So this one is easy to remove, so it was likely open before. The adhesive is not that strong, or beforehand, before the customer went here, they removed the back cover and just returned it. So here we're going to remove the SIM card tray. And unlike what we do here in the Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we are going to replace only the display because the color for this frame, the purple hue, is not really available as of the time of recording. So we have here a replacement display without the frame. This is still doable. David can still do it, no problem. But yeah, the usual way that we do it here is replace the screen with the frame because it's faster and more reliable. But sometimes the client is particular with the color of the replacement parts, so we don't have this same purple color, not really common. But yeah, we'll replace the display. So instead of removing the main board at the back, we're just gonna focus our attention now on the display itself. So since we're gonna be reusing the frame, extra care will be observed so that we don't scratch it even more or even crack it. So we'll inject some alcohol into this gap and then make it wider and slice through the adhesive as it gets soft using the alcohol. So yeah, just like removing the back cover. Although the display itself has not been replaced before, so the adhesive is still factory, this is gonna take a while. So just gonna show you an accelerated version. I'm gonna fast forward to everything, but we'll show you as much as possible the entire process. There you go. It gets easier when the gaps are getting wider. I'm gonna slice through the remaining adhesive strips on this side. Obviously, we can't reuse this anymore because we already ruined the adhesive, but sometimes we can. You see that black outline on the frame? That's the adhesive strip. Sometimes it's still strong enough to be reused, but if you remove the display often, and it's gonna lose its stickiness. So far it's all intact. Yeah, that's how pros do it. Sometimes it may seem easy to look at when you're watching the repair video, but it's really tiny bits and pieces, sticky adhesive. So yeah, if you want to DIY this fix or you want to do your own screen replacement, you have a lot of things to consider: tools, the skills, techniques, and you yourself. You have the patience to do these repairs. If you don't have, you just go to a local service technician and have them do the screen replacement for you. Here we're gonna clean the frame itself, remove some gunk, and then we'll just apply additional liquid adhesive on the side. So yeah, as soon as you open the S22, if it's still factory sealed, so that means it's still waterproof. This one is not going to be waterproof, so just so you know, This is gonna be enough so that we can install the display securely and without it falling off when you use it every day. So here we're gonna install the new display, and look at that. It's like nothing happened. The frame on the side is kind of scratched up. It's old. It's an old device, but still very usable. No functional damage there. And then we'll install everything back. So this is like the pro side of it, and if you don't replace the frame, you don't have to remove everything out of the smartphone. So the reassembly is actually 80% better. So we put it back, everything, then turn it on, see if it's working, and I hope it works, and it does. No surprises there. We have the Samsung Galaxy expert working on the job. Liquid adhesive also for the back cover. We'll reuse the back cover. And here, just a sufficient amount. And there you go. So yeah, if you have any specific request, if you want to have a screen replacement, you want to retain the frame, you want a battery replacement, anything you have your own parts that you need to be installed on your smartphone, we can do it for you. You can bring in your parts, you can ask us to source parts for your device. Whatever you need, David is here for you. And if you have any friends who live outside of Sydney that is in need of a new screen, a new battery, they can mail in their smartphone. We'll fix it here and then we'll send it back to them. And just like this one, look at this, side by side. And we'll throw in a cover for this screen so that it's not gonna be scratched up the moment it goes out of the shop. And that's it for us, guys. Thanks for joining. Like and subscribe to our channel. I hope you learned something in today's video. And till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.